Hello friends, life is growth, and if we are not growing technically and spiritually, we are as good as dead. Okay, so hello friends, welcome to your channel, and in today's video we will explore the behaviors which are important to be rich. All of us want to be rich, successful, financially free, and all of us are working extremely hard day in and day out. If you are in a business, you are in a job, you are a professional, I know how much effort we put in on a daily basis to make more money, to give our family the best of the best lifestyles. But many times the success which we want, we do not get it. We blame the society, our family, parents, spouses, even God. But there are certain behaviors, guys. I will talk about just 4 behaviors. Just give yourself points. Where do you stand? Where do you stand in terms of these 4 behaviors? And if you fix them, not only financial freedom, you will get complete freedom of your life. You will be a free person. Whatever challenges you face, you'll be able to resolve them, get over your challenges very comfortably. Money will just be secondary thing for you. It will just flow into you. You will do a lot of things other than making money. Okay, so let us get on to these 4 behaviors. Okay, number 1 behavior, check for yourself. How are your surroundings? Are you living in a dirty environment? Check how much dust and clutter is there in your house. Okay, are you wearing dirty clothes? Okay, personal hygiene, very important to attract money. Personal hygiene, your house should be clutter free, your desk should be clean, your teeth should be clean. Personal hygiene. Okay, so if you think your bank balance is like this, check your personal hygiene. Bank balance is just a reflection of our personal hygiene. Okay, get your surrounding clean. Wear good clean clothes. Your personal hygiene should be good. Take a daily bath. Clean your teeth twice or thrice in a day, because Goddess Lakshmi will only give blessings if we have a clean environment. Why do we do Diwali cleaning? This is basically for Indian audience. Why do we do Diwali cleaning once in a year? Do we want Goddess Lakshmi to visit us and give us blessing only for one day? No. Daily, you have to clean your surroundings. It will take 15 minutes. Trust me. If you do it daily, 15 minutes is more than enough. Do not leave it on your maids. Maid is not responsible for your financial freedom. It is you. So the most important thing which I will be talking about is your cleanliness around you. That will reflect the cleanliness in you, in your brain. Logical point? Okay, great. So point number 1 is personal hygiene, cleanliness. Do not take it lightly. Please, it is very difficult. I'm telling you, it is very difficult to keep your surrounding clean, because maybe most of us are lazy people. Please think about it. Talk about it in your family on a daily basis. Okay. Point number 2. Do not be a glutton. You might sound it a bit weird. What is glutton? From the context of the behaviors to be rich, eating unnecessarily, whole day munching, snacking, not required, guys, not required. We are 70% water, right? We need more of water content. We need healthy food. We need green vegetables. We need nuts. We do not need snacking whole day. 2 to 3 meals are more than enough for us. Please check your behavior. Are we eating whole day? Is all our energy spent on eating and thinking about what to eat in the next meal? Our body do not need that much food. It can survive on less food. Give it more water. Fresh water. Okay. Point number 2. Do not forget it, please. Because I have seen this. This is happening all throughout our country. Snacking, munching whole day. Watch your habits. Okay, point number 3. Point number 3 is that are we putting enough effort to improve, to learn something new, challenge our brain, do something which will give us something which is challenging. It'll make us more active. Activeness is very, very important for us. Do something which is which enlighten us, which give us more space to grow and more our thought process to grow, right? 4th point, harsh language. What is harsh language? Well, harsh language is nothing but the words which we use on a day-to-day basis. Are these words positive? Are these words negative? I do not know. What I believe firmly, okay, is that we, all of us, we human beings, are nothing but a product of our words. Maybe you might not know what is this all about, but yeah, whatever financial position I have, whatever relationships I have, whatever problems I have, it is because of my words. How? Let me give you an example. I have heard people saying, I will never be rich. Something, I am not getting blessings of God. I am not God's favorite child. My boss does not like me. My parents do not like me. If you use such defeating words, how will you grow? It is quite possible that your life might not be on track. But is it difficult to say, my life is on track? I am God's favorite child. My parents support me. My wife supports me. I have lovely, wonderful children. Fair point? Only use good words. Do not use bad language. If you are watching some movie or some serial or some OTT content which has harsh language, do not copy it. Do not copy it. Look at it, enjoy the content and just leave it there. Do not bring it to your memory. Do not bring it to your words. I have seen that. We learn from these OTT content and then they become part of our vocabulary. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Last point is that get up early. Get up early. These 4 to 5 points will somehow sort out most of our issues, financial issues. What is get up early? It is very easier said than done. If we are awake, let's say by 8 o'clock or let's say 7 o'clock, we still have some time to plan our day. But if we are getting up quite late, so the energy which we will get in the morning is all lost. So try to sleep early. Okay, try to sleep early. You have to manage. How you will manage? 6 to 7 hours of sleep. If you can get it, good enough. So you have to manage your sleeping hours. Try to get up as early as possible. Maybe 6 o'clock, 6:30, 7 o'clock. And spend some time with yourself. Go for a walk or do something which is nice. Read. Just see for yourself these 4 to 5 points which I have discussed. If they are on track, your financial position, if not right now, it will be where you want it to be. Okay. So quickly summarizing these 4 to 5 points, guys. Cleanliness, very, very important. Mental challenge, very, very important. Getting up early, very, very important. Language, the language which we are using, the words which we are using, very, very important. Use encouraging words. And last but not the least, put good food. Do not be a glutton. So with these, I leave you to review for yourself. How are you doing in these 4 to 5 behaviors? And make some changes. Changes will be needed. and do these changes slowly and steadily so that you do not get discouraged, right? Check your vocabulary. Are you using encouraging words or are you using discouraging words? Okay, with these I leave you with your thoughts. Have a nice day. I will talk to you again in my next video, guys. Take charge. Thumbs up for your success. I will pray for you. Bye bye.